I can't wait to get the scope to get on. It's like a World War II scope. World War II? Like what? Look at this messed up flower. This is so messed up. Whoa, that's too big. Freaky looking. Okay. Ah, you're gonna be empty. Yeah. Watch. Wow, do you see these? I got too many videos already. Wow, I got like 30 something. Jesus. Subscribe. Anyway, not Rainbow Airsoft yet. Or whatever, Rainbow Six Airsoft.
No, subscribe to me, please. I promise you more reviews in the future. What does he promise you? What?
Cookies.
Okay, cookies, whatever.
Cookies are so much better. Am I right?
Are you right?
Yes, I am. Cookies are
Ready!
Go!
Begin!
Wow, so much for...
So much for pressure.
Doesn't it get hot with that thing on?
Nope. He's a true Muslim. Not cool. Even though he's Filipino.
Keep your head down, boy!
Yeah, Filipino.
I swear, I thought I hit him. I'm not gonna rush because I'm too tired.
Whoa!
Yeah, there's a ditch. You know, Russell, not even I understand that. I don't understand it either.
You're just doing it. Yeah. I think you should be support gunner, not sniper. I think you should be support gunner, not sniper. Because you like to do full auto, and snipers don't do full auto.
Oh, sorry then. I'll go semi-auto. Sorry.
You're more accurate on semi or 3-round burst. Does he have like...
Is he hit? I thought
He's running, so not. I guess I...
What is he doing? I thought he was hit.
He's cheating.
Hey, we should go down there and make a pass. Do that.
We should.
We should get him a shady. Wait, your dad has weed rack, right?
Yeah, he does. Does your dad have one?
My dad's not the guardian
No.
kind of person. He's a manly man.
Manly man. Oh my god, are you kidding me? The battery is gonna die.
He died?
No, it's about... It looks... I don't know.
It has that red battery?
Yeah.
Top?
Yeah, it does. Robert was throwing all this stuff around when we were building this.
Isn't that awesome?
It's a fort, man. 45 hours of hard labor.
Yeah, more like 1.
1 hour.
Like adding your gun for your or just making the...
Ow!
Yeah. I see someone's head. I see 2 heads. I know, me too.
View scope.
Oh, whoa! I'm just a spectator. Fail!
Can't reach you with the SIG. Aren't you using 23s? You should be able to get them.
Is it dead?
What? No, it's still going.
Oh.
Amazing, yeah.
It looks like wood, but it's concrete.
Yeah, it is.
I found that out first thing I picked up.
No, he has a choice.
See, these are the way to go.
You see?
You cannot step out. Step out, freaking run. Oh!
Run to the secondary bunker.
That's just fun. Well, I think that one's way better than that one, but you know. Not even reaching.
Wait, they're done. I thought it was free for all.
It is.
Well, why are they teaming up?
Because they're big.
Oh, yay, Marui Man!
So Marui Man likes to go full auto.
He fits. You should be support gunner.
What about both?
Huh?
What about both?
Well, depends. If you're not gonna use a scope, then yeah, go support gunner. You just gotta find a drum mag. They're like Saving Private Ryan when they find the half track. 1 out of 2.
One more.
Here, I'll hold it.
Hey, let's watch Kunai chicken out. Let's watch Kunai chicken out.
Oh, that's a good spot.
Well, Captain said the airsoft.
Yeah. True.
For the first time, a sniper is moving in.
Even though that's not their role. What are you talking about? You have your gun is almost as long as his, and you can't get him.
No, I wouldn't reach. I was trying to.
Shoot the brush.
That wasn't me.
I see him.
I know, I see him now. That's Danielle!
Okay.
Call me Danielle, why don't you? Okay.
Okay.
Sniper wins.
Game over.